Are you a dentist in Texas struggling to consistently bring new patients through your doors? Traditional word of mouth and basic listings aren't enough anymore. In today's competitive dental industry, one of the most powerful ways to stand out and attract new patients quickly is dental PPC, pay-per-click advertising. So, what makes PPC so effective for dentists in Texas? First, it gives you instant visibility. Instead of waiting months for organic SEO to take effect, your clinic shows up at the top of Google search results the moment people look for terms like dentist near me in Texas or emergency dental clinic. Second, PPC connects you with high-intent patients. These are people actively searching for treatments like teeth whitening, braces, implants, or urgent care. That means you're not chasing leads, you're meeting patients at the exact moment they need you. Another benefit is budget flexibility. Whether you're a small clinic or a larger practice, you set how much you want to spend each day. You can increase, decrease, or pause your campaigns anytime, giving you full control. Now let's break down how to actually use PPC effectively for dental lead generation in Texas. Step 1. Set a realistic budget and ad schedule. Research what competitors spend, then decide what fits your practice. Focus your ads during hours when patients are most likely to search. Mornings, evenings, and weekends often see higher activity. Step 2. Choose the right keywords. Start broad with phrases like dentist in Texas or dental checkup near me. Then go specific with service-based keywords like pediatric dentist in Dallas, cosmetic dentist in Houston, or emergency root canal Texas. Don't forget to add negative keywords so your ads don't appear for irrelevant searches. Step 3. Refine your audience targeting. Location is key. You'll want to target patients within a certain radius of your clinic. Beyond that, you can narrow down by age, income level, or even parental status to reach the right audience. Step 4. Write compelling ads with strong calls to action. Keep them clear and direct. For example, book your same-day appointment, call now for emergency care, or schedule your free consultation. Including your phone number in the ad can make contacting you immediate and easy. Step 5. Build optimized landing pages. When someone clicks your ad, the page they land on should directly match the service they searched for. If your ad promotes teeth whitening, the landing page should highlight whitening services, not general dental care. Mobile friendliness, fast loading times, and clear booking options make a huge difference. Step 6. Track and improve performance. Keep an eye on important numbers like click-through rate, cost per lead, and conversion rate. If a keyword isn't performing, replace it. If an ad is doing well, allocate more budget. PPC is all about testing and fine-tuning. Dental PPC works because it's measurable, adaptable, and puts your clinic right in front of patients at the moment they're searching for care. For practices in Texas, it's not just about advertising, it's about building a consistent pipeline of new patients while making the most of your marketing budget.